I bet you didn't know choosing the right coffee maker could change your life. First up, the Breville Barista Express, for those who love the art of espresso. It's got a built-in grinder and customizable settings, perfect for dialing in your dream shot. But be warned, it's pricey and comes with a learning curve. Next, the Technivorm Cup 1, single cup convenience at its finest. It brews a fresh cup in just 4 to 6 minutes. Simple design, consistent quality, but not ideal for gatherings. Also a bit on the expensive side for a single cup brewer. Finally, the Keurig K Elite, speed and variety in one machine. Brews in under a minute and even does iced coffee. But those pods can add up, both in cost and plastic waste. So, which coffee maker is for you? Breville for the espresso artist, Technivorm for the single cup perfectionist, or Keurig for the busy multitasker? Choose wisely, coffee lovers.